When we experience an injury or an illness, our brain tells us we're in pain. The bad news about that is that neurons that fire together wire together. So pain actually produces the message of I'm in more pain to protect us. The good news is that our brains, as we know now, are plastic. So we can offer them counter stimulus. We can offer them competitive plasticity. We do this often through things like our yoga practice. We're going to do it today with self-massage. We're going to use a tool like this really practical, small TENS machine that you can take with you anywhere. This offers a competitive stimulus. So instead of the brain thinking, I'm in pain, I need to protect you, you provide it with another stimulus that interrupts that pain. So whether that be massage or focusing on different sensations in the body, or offering something like this, which I'm going to show you how to use in a minute, it just interrupts it. It's a competitive input in the brain that tells your brain that something else is happening here, and I can focus on this. And you can try it out for yourself. We'll do it right now for your neck and your shoulders to see how it works. So let's start with a neck massage. So you're just going to be sitting in a comfortable position. And let's just start by sitting up nice and tall so your spine is straight, your shoulders are back and down, your ears are over your shoulders. You're going to place your fingers on your head so that you can place your thumbs at the base of your skull on your occipital ridge, and you're just going to really gently press into the occipital ridge and release, press and release, moving along the base of your skull. So it doesn't have to be huge stimulus, just a small stimulus can offer that competitive plasticity, a counter stimulus to the pain, telling your brain, hey, something else is happening here. Give it something else to put its attention on, almost like redirecting a toddler that's having a tantrum. So make sure you're breathing, your shoulders are staying relaxed while you're offering this competitive plasticity, this counter stimulus. And then you're going to take all four fingers and you're going to do the same thing on either side of your spine here. You're going to just press and release, press and release, press and release, moving down your neck on either side of your spine. And then you're going to move in small circles out and around. And it can be really gentle. Less is more, especially with your neck. Make sure you're breathing still. Your shoulders are down, away from your ears. And one that can be really nice is just to rake that skin away from the spine. Okay, so now I'm going to show you a really cool way to add that competitive plasticity, that counter stimulus that you can use anytime with this really cool olynvolt pocket TENS machine. And it's got such a cool design. You can stick it in your purse or your backpack. You can take it with you traveling. You can use it when you're watching Netflix or YouTube. You just got really simple. These are the control panels, and this is the counter stimulus. So all you do is it's like a magnet. It attaches right here. And I'm going to show you on my wrist because it's going to be really easy for me to demonstrate it on my wrist. These are adhesive pads. They're super sticky, and especially if you clean the area, you're going to be able to use them many times. So you put it on, and then you're going to turn it on here. You can hear that it turned on. And then what you're going to do is there are 16 levels. So you can have it, you can have it nice and low, which is great, especially if you're really sensitive in your nervous system, you don't want to overstimulate it. Or you can have it higher. Then there are also 5 modes. There's the pounding mode, You can change the mode to the kneading mode or to the intelligent mode, the soothing mode, the scraping mode, or the press mode. And you can just experiment with them and see which stimulus you like. So there's lots of variations on the counter stimulus to offer counter plasticity to your brain here. And you can put this on your neck, the back of your neck, or your shoulders, or wherever there's pain in your body that you want to just offer some counter stimulus or counter plasticity. So you just heard it's charging again here. It's got this really easy carrying case, and it's a USB charger. So super simple and really sleek. I really love this design. So let's move on to the shoulder massage. So for the shoulder, again, let's readjust our posture. Shoulders back and down, ears over your shoulders. Make sure you're breathing into your belly. You're gonna take your hand over to your opposite shoulder. You're just gonna start close in, and you're gonna drag from the back to the front, from close into your neck out to your shoulder. And again, you're just providing that counter stimulus, that competitive plasticity to say, hey, something else is happening here. And that's enough to change those neural pathways of pain. And then the other one that you're going to do here is you're going to squeeze and release here in your armpit. You've got some lymph nodes here. It helps to release toxins. But also this area tends to be really tight from the shoulders that round forward from a lot of screen time. And if we can release those tight muscles here, that can really help with neck and shoulder pain.